We're at the Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, and here's some quick video of the roads leading into the place.
In 1 mile, turn right to Scenic Drive.
We're at the Red Rock Canyon Visitor Center, so we have to go in and score some tickets for the auto road. All right, guys, so we're entering the Scenic Route Drive in the Red Canyon Visitor Center. This place is absolutely gorgeous. We wanted to show you some of the road along the way and things that you may run into. Hey, you know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of Looney Tunes with the coyote and the roadrunner. Meet, meet. You know, we always shoot film up in the mountains of New Hampshire and New England, and it's so much different here. The rocks are all different colors when you're driving through the place, and there's like tan and red, and there's like some greenery sprinkled in. It's absolutely amazing. This is one of the first stops on the drive-through loop around the conservation area. Here's one of the hiking trails going up and through the mountains. This is unbelievable out here. So as you drive through the conservation area, the colors go from green to tan to red to browns. It's absolutely amazing. So right here, we're at the high point overlook along this road. How great is the view up here? This is totally unbelievable. You can literally see for miles up here. It just goes on forever, it seems like. So I'm over here in the Willow Spring stop of this auto road, and we're gonna be kind of quiet. We're trying to be respectful of the people in the area. But when you look around here, every stop along this road is different in its own way. This one's like really hilly, and I guess there's like sheep and stuff that are up in the mountains at certain times of the year. Yeah, but this is what it looks like up here. Huge mountain right in front of us. Then there tends to be a breeze up here. It's right today. There's a good breeze coming right through this valley, so it kind of cools you down a little bit if it's a hot day. Something to keep in mind if you're up this way. So we're gonna head on the Petroglyph Wall Trail, and it's only 0.2 miles. It's a real short hike. It's about 15 minutes in from what they're telling us, and about 15 minutes back out. But I guess at the end of this thing, there's some carvings from indigenous people and stuff like that from way back when. So hoping it's gonna be kind of cool to show you what's along the way and what to expect. So at the beginning of the trailhead, you're going to see this sign, and it kind of shows you a map of where you're going. So these little markers along the way to show you the way you're going. It's kind of cool. You kind of really can't get lost. Okay, so we're not hikers, and we got here in about 5 minutes. It's not a 15-minute walk. But there's some stuff back me that's pretty cool, so let's check this out. So we noticed if you look through one of the bushes to the left, there's some painting like right there, right that way you can see right there. And you can almost miss it if you're not looking around. on one of the last stops on the auto road, and this one's a lot quieter than the other ones right now. And the views are amazing. You go from gray rock to like red rocks to like almost the sandy looking rock. And when the sun comes out, everything changes color out here. So I hope you enjoyed our journey through this conservation area. If you're out this way, this is an excellent spot to hop in your car and take a tour through. You won't be disappointed. Um, it's 90 degrees in town, and up this way it's probably like 80 degrees. There's a little bit of a wind up here, and they can kind of cool down a little bit. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching, guys.